Hi students, in the earlier class we discussed about the definition of the nutrition. Nutrition is otherwise also called as food supplying system. As we all know that how we define this nutrition is organisms which take some food and convert into energy by the process of digestion. And for what this energy utilized for the growth of the body and repairing damages and to maintain the body temperatures and maintain the body activities like digestion, excretion, circulation, all these type of activities. So now we are going to discuss about the organisms. What type of organisms are there on the earth? Organisms mainly of dividing two types, single cellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Why some organisms are called as single cellular organisms? Nothing but single cellular organism means which organisms are made up of only one cell. For example, see this diagram. In this, we can see only one cell, single cell, that is amoeba. Amoeba is made up of only single cell. Amoeba, paramecium, and euglena, all these type of organisms are called as single cellular organisms. And the second type is multicellular organisms. Here, multi means many cells. Multicellular means many cells. The organisms which are made up of more than two cells are come under multicellular organisms or organisms which contains millions of cells. For example, plants, animals, human beings, all these are comes under multicellular organisms. Whatever the organism either single cellular or multicellular, they most need nutrition for the survival of their lives. Okay, type of the organisms, there is a different type of mode of nutritions. Mode of nutrition is also dividing into two types. First one is autotrophic nutrition. What do you mean by autotrophs? Autotrophs, here the word auto. The auto means self-preparation. Auto means self-preparation. Autotrophic nutrition. Self-preparation. What is the preparation? For example, we have take the plants. Plants prepare their own food. They are not dependent on others for their food. They prepare how they prepare their foods. Plants prepare their food by taking light energy from the sun and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the rain and minerals from the soil. After taking these all the things, it it makes the process of photosynthesis and release the gas oxygen, which the gas was utilized by the all the animals and human beings. Once I repeat, auto means self preparation. All the plants are called as autotrophs, and the nutrition which occurs in plants are called as autotrophic nutrition. Why? Because plants has the pigment chlorophyll and it prepares its own food material from the light energy, CO2, soil and water by taking all these things and release oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. Hence, all the plants are called as autotrophs. And the second mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. What is a heterotrophic nutrition? Here the word hetero. Hetero means we have to take two types of meanings. Hetero means different. Hetero means different or depending. Hetero means different or depending. The organisms are animals which depends on other organisms for their food are called as heterotrophs because these heterotrophs does not contain any type of pigment like chlorophyll. Hence, they do not prepare their own foods. Just they simply depend on others for their food. For example, animals and human beings. Animals and human beings depends on other animals as well as the on the plants for their survival of the food. Who does not prepare their own food are called as heterotrophs, and the nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Students, please remember all these points. Nutrition is important for growth, repairing damages, and to maintain body temperature and maintaining body activities. And the organisms are also of two types: single cellular organisms, which contains only one cell, and multicellular organism contains many cells. Amoeba is example for single cellular organism, and plants or animals, human beings are the examples for multicellular organisms. And the mode of nutrition is autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. All the plants are named as autotrophs because they prepare their own food. And all the animals and human beings are called as heterotrophs because they do not contain any pigment and they do not prepare their own food. Okay, students, see you in the next class.